Today, we're stepping into ForgeWorks, a steel plant tackling best practices to problem solve. One team uses old school paper and Excel, while the other uses AI with Cul Baire software. ForgeWorks faced rising beam defects costing $30,000 per month. Manager Carla split the team in two. Team Excel struggled with traditional methods, missing updates and slow manual rewrites. Missing files and lack of follow-up had defects lingering at 2.3%. Team Cul Baire thrived with digitized tracking, connecting everyone in real time. Defects dropped to 1.4%, and engagement soared with active contributions from workers. After 1 month, Team Excel's methods failed, while digital reduced defects to 1.2%. 6 months later, Team Excel gave up, while Team Cul Baire reduced defects and increased employee engagement. Success for Team Cul Baire. Spot on record keeping and easy to use. Visit culbaire.com to learn more and schedule a free demo.